I am on a mission to survive the new YouTube algorithm, and I am attempting to complete it in 30 days with this channel. What will be the result? YouTube game is rigged, that's what they say. That small creators are doomed to drown in a sea of screaming thumbnails and clickbait. Well, I'm here to tell you something no one else talks about. YouTube is flipping the script and handing small creators a golden ticket to your idea of success. YouTube just threw a lifeline into that ocean of noisy gurus, and it's time to swim. I want you to come with me, but only if you've got the guts to grab these golden tickets. In 30 minutes, this video must change your YouTube game forever. There is this buzz about YouTube giving small creators a shot, so I decided to see for myself if they were just rumors. But no, it's not rumors, it's happening. YouTube's algorithm is now promoting new channels, and this could be a big break. We'll look at the proof, hear from the experts, and get some tips that could send your channel from zero to hero. And I'll also try to survive this new algorithm update, but it's going to take me 30 days, so you can come back some other time. YouTube is now on a mission. So you remember the big bad beast that everyone fears? Yes, the algorithm. It has been keeping a secret that's about to change everything you thought you knew. For the first time, small creators, yes, you and I, the ones with barely 1,000 views, we are getting promoted to the home page. Big channels, your home feed isn't safe anymore. We are taking over now. So YouTube has a special team dedicated to promoting fresh faces and new channels. That's why a video with just 10 views gets shown along with the guys on million views. YouTube is dedicated to finding new creators like us and giving us a shot at the spotlight. This is your time, but only if you know how to play the game. And let me tell you something. This game is about to get very interesting. Opportunity is a fickle friend. It doesn't knock twice, doesn't wait for another round. In fact, opportunity comes but once. That's a very popular saying. So you think YouTube is too crowded, too competitive? Nonsense. I tell you something, this is the best time to be a creator, because that's the excuse of the defeated. The truth is, the battlefield is wide open and YouTube is putting the sword in your hand. The question is, do you have the courage to wed it? Are you ready to grow your channel? Here is how you can enjoy the algorithm's new flavor. I have 4 super tips to help you stand out from the crowded content club. First up, grab the opportunity with both hands. You see, YouTube is giving you a shot, so why not seize it? Don't let hesitation hold you back. Dive in head first and make the most of this chance. Next, focus only on smart, interest-based topics. This process can be very tiring, I assure you of that. So use YouTube's search bar and related searches to identify trending topics within your niche. Create a content calendar based on these topics to ensure you are always tapping into current viewers' interests. What's trending in the content world? Create videos around that. YouTube is feeding the algorithm what it craves most. Interest-based content. Not just any topic, but those that spark curiosity.
I'm curious. I'm very curious. You curious?
That taps into the core of what viewers obsess over. You've seen it for yourself. Search for something once, and YouTube floods you with content from every angle, from every creator, big or small. So it's no coincidence. And here is your time. Are you going to get a bite of this pie, or Are you going to let it all be mine? So what's this secret sauce? And how can you force the algorithm to notice your videos? Here is a hint. It's all about knowing where the wind is blowing and riding the storm. Third, make your video metadata shine. Your metadata is like the foundation for algorithm knowing what you're all about. They are your titles, descriptions, tags, and even your thumbnail name. Those aren't just decorations, they are essential for helping YouTube's algorithm understand your content. Optimize this element to boost your chances of being recommended. Your titles, your descriptions, they are not just words on a screen, they are your lifeline. Your only chance to tell the algorithm exactly what your videos and your channel is about. You see, there is a reason YouTube is focused on new creators. They know we've got the potential. But here's the kicker. If you don't make it easy for the algorithm to figure you out, it will leave you in the dust. And I know that's not what you want. And I want you to do something. Write titles and descriptions that include relevant keywords and phrases that viewers are searching for. If you don't know how to go about this, just use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to analyze your titles, descriptions, and for your tags, use rapidtags.io. Many people say tags are like obsolete now, they are no longer something, but I feel like as a small creator, also use tags in your videos because you can't just trust all these YouTube gurus all the time. Now you might be thinking, but I'm doing all that already. These are not something new to me. There is something else you might not be doing. Something else that's worth talking about. And I'm going to show you what really works in a moment. Fourth, let's talk about your mindset. The road to YouTube success isn't just about strategies alone. It's also about your attitude. Embrace every opportunity with a positive outlook and refuse to let negativity cloud your path. Remember, YouTube doesn't hate you. Hold on. Don't get too happy right now. It doesn't love you either. It loves viewers. And if you can't see the opportunity right in front of your eyes, that's on you, not the algorithm. YouTube loves content that resonates with viewers, not just content creators. Let's peel back the layers and dive deeper into the data. How exactly is YouTube promoting small channels? What are the numbers saying? Let's talk about impressions. You think just because YouTube shows your videos, it's a win? Well, you might be right. It's a part of the win. But I believe you don't want partial wins. That's why you are on this video. So think again. Impressions are a gift. Yes. But they are a poison chalice. I've been waiting to use this word. I don't even know if I pronounce it properly. If you don't know how to use them, YouTube can show your video to 1 million people, but if none of them bite, none of them click, then the content is just dead in the water. So what's the trick? It's about making your content so irresistible, so heavenly clickable that they can't help but watch. This is not a secret formula. This is something that you've heard 1 million creators talk about. And I want you to start working on it in your videos. Designing your thumbnails. I want you to design thumbnails that are vibrant, clear, and emotionally engaging. Test different designs using A or B testing to see which ones get the highest click-through rates. And before posting your thumbnails, use a site like thumbsup.tv to foolproof your thumbnail. And if you are feeling relaxed right now and you think that's all there is, I need you to think again. The final secret is the key to unlocking it all. It's about you. Let's turn the tables to see what's really happening. Are you ready for some real talk? I'll reveal some surprising reactions from creators and viewers.
Something strange responses included, now that you mention it, I have been seeing so many under 500 view videos on my feed. What is the deal? We're going to see what YouTube themselves have to say about this, because I got some juicy data and insights. I also have 4 specific tips, team dedicated on small channels. So that's interesting, because they actually have.
For new creators or smaller creators, because when you say the algorithm follows the audience, they worry that they don't have an audience yet for the algorithm to follow. So do we do anything for those creators?
Yeah, so we have a team that is specifically focused on this challenge of trying to identify audiences for creators that are just getting started.
We have a team dedicated on small channels, small creators, and for creators that are just getting started. This is Todd O'Prey from YouTube, who's behind search and discovery algorithms.
For videos that we don't have a lot of information about, and so yeah, with those videos and channels, we do need to try some different approaches: the title, the description. When there are viewers that show up that seems like they might be interested in it, we'll show that video to those viewers and see which of them react.
Now, mind you, we'll come back to this, but he noticed
I've got a special surprise for you that could change how you view YouTube scripts forever. So stay tuned. If you are as pumped about these insights as I am, don't just sit there. Take action. One more thing, I'll help you optimize your next video for free. Absolutely no charges. Just click on that subscribe button. Once again, subscribe button. Yeah, and send a DM to my Instagram. The link is in the description. If you are ready to skyrocket your YouTube game, and for more insider tips, remember, this is your moment. This is your time to shine. So grab it with both hands. YouTube's new approach could be the game changer you've been waiting for. But you could also watch these videos, watch a million others, and continue being a game blamer. So don't just take my words for it. Start applying these tips and watch your channel transform. But wait, do you have a problem coming up with great scripts for your video? It's not about you, although it could be. It's about these secrets that took me 241 hours to fully uncover, and I somehow managed to summarize into a few minutes in this video. I want you to watch it now.